We're changing the bulbs on the front of the MK6 Golf, which is the dip beam, high beam, indicator, and you've got your side light bulb there. Now, to give you a better view of the removal of the bulbs, I've taken the headlight assembly out of the car and I'll show you exactly what's happening when you're removing the bulbs. Now we've got the headlight assembly completely out. Now this is where the dip beam is. All the bulbs are turned anti-clockwise to remove, other than the side light. The dip beam is a H7 bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass. And turn clockwise to reinstall. Now we've got the high beam bulb. Turn anti-clockwise. And we've got a H15 bulb, which comes complete like this. Now, just a bit lower down, you've got the side light bulb, which is just a 5-watt wedge bulb. Now we've just got the indicator bulb, which is anti-clockwise, and you've got a PSY 24W bulb. Press this here to release. Thank you for watching. I really hope the video has made the job easier for you. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. There are plenty of other videos on the MK6 Golf and lots of other vehicles. Thanks again.